Here's my hand, it's yours to hold. I give myself to you.
Here's my heart, please make it yours. I give my love to you.
We are two becoming one. All of me, you have all that once was mine.
And here's my promise, I'm yours to hold. I'll stay here by your side.
We are two.
Alito, to be my wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward. For better, for worse, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish, till that, by the authority vested in me, by the Council of Rengma Baptist Churches, I declare Mr. Khrünuto and Alito as husband and wife. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to present to you for the first time Mr. Khrünuto and Alito. Let's all give them a round of applause.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us. and we'd say we do.